Hey, everybody. I am Arlissa Pinkleton, educator to trader, and I wanted to share with you a product that I have that I'm offering that I fully believe is going to expand, enhance, and increase your trading profits and your portfolio. It is called Chart Your Way to 100K. This particular training product is basically like my tantamount, the top of the tier of what I have to offer, because I know that charting is the foundation of all profits, all trading, all investing. This product starts with beginner level and graduates you up to where you're looking at more in-depth indicators, looking at really candle patterns, looking to see how the candlesticks function. I mean, it covers all the good foundational technical analysis you need to be a good charter. And if you can't chart, you're not going to be winning for long term. But if you can chart and you can chart effectively in a very quick, succinct manner, I promise you that is going to increase your profits. So I'm offering this product short term, right? I mean, the product's going to be available, but the short term bonus price, it includes an interactive 4-week window period where I work right along with you, along with the videos that you're going to purchase, and we're going to lean in together to make sure that you get everything you need. I'm going to walk with you through the process, right? You don't have to worry about, you just going to send me a bunch of videos and leave me by myself. No, I'm not if you sign up. If you go ahead and get yourself registered, then I got you. I'll walk you right on through it. Okay. Follow the links below and go ahead and avail yourself to the product. Go ahead and grab it. Listen, we got some great stuff for you, and I want you to be a part of it. All right. I'll see you soon. Bye.